If you are having excess weight problems, you are not alone. In fact, in the United States almost 74% of adults are considered overweight or obese. In UK it is 62% and in European Union 52% of adults. Overweight can cause a lot of health issues like musculoskeletal problems, cardiovascular diseases, immune system disorders, type 2 diabetes, and it just to name few. Obesity also puts you in the group of people with a higher risk of several types of cancer, including breast, colon, endometrial, kidney, and esophageal cancer. Fortunately, there is a way you can deal with this problem. In this video you will find 5 scientifically proven tips that will help you to lose weight in the most efficient and safe way possible. Diet is one of the most important things when it comes to losing weight. If you will check for differences in eating habits people have in the USA and European Union, you will easily find the pattern why in Europe there is 20% less people with overweight problems than in the United States. The goal is to have a balanced diet that includes protein, healthy fats, fiber, and complex carbohydrates. The first thing you should start with is to reduce your sugar intake to an absolute minimum. This is the most proven and fastest way to start losing weight. When you buy food, you should check the product label to see how much sugar it contains. For faster results, choose products with zero sugar content. This also means to exclude from your diet sugar-containing drinks and instead drink more water. Fruits and berries also contain a lot of sugar, so you do need to limit your consumption of them as well. Here you can see how much sugar popular fruits and berries contain. You need to stop eating high-calorie food that contains small amount of nutrients, especially junk food. Also, you need to exclude from your diet refined carbohydrates like white bread and pasta, which contribute to weight gain. Some alcohol-containing drinks are high in calories and may stimulate appetite, leading to overeating. Next would be to increase protein and fiber intake. Protein not only helps to build and maintain muscles, but can boost your metabolism. It also keeps you feeling full longer, reducing overall calorie intake. Meat, fish, eggs and milk products contain large amount of protein. Also beans like lentils, black beans, and soybeans contains decent amount of protein in them, but you need to know that plant products have lower digestibility. The same is, if you will supplement your diet with protein powders, animal source proteins will have higher digestibility and also higher bioavailability of amino acids. Eating high-fiber foods like whole grains, legumes, and vegetables can help with digestion. Also, fiber moves slowly through the digestive tract that can help you feel fuller for a longer period of time. Healthy fats, such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil is a part of healthy diet plan. These fats provide essential fatty acids, helps to control appetite and improves both hormone regulation and nutrient absorption. Here you can see the amounts of nutrients you should get per day. You need to be smart in choosing food because the goal is to eat food that contains fewer calories but more nutrients. Avoid distractions during meals and eat slowly to give your body time to signal that it's full. Need to be mentioned that it is much better to eat 3 or 4 times a day than having small snacks often. And is it important, eat at the same time each day. Last but not least, just listen to your body by paying attention to how it reacts to different kinds of food. Physical activity and body exercises are a crucial part of the weight loss process. If you want to lose weight efficiently, you need to burn more calories than you consume. You can achieve this by monitoring your caloric intake and making mindful food choices that we spoke about earlier. Regular cardiovascular exercise like walking, running, cycling, or swimming are very beneficial, and you definitely need to include at least 30 minutes of such activities in your daily routine. If you're not really into sports, fast walking is a good exercise to start with. Next step would be to start making strength training exercises 2 to 3 times a week. Building muscle increases your resting metabolic rate, helping you burn more calories even at rest. But do not overload yourself, let your body adapt and increase training intensity gradually. Food supplements can be a good part of your daily diet. As mentioned earlier in this video, you can supplement your diet with protein powders. goal here is to choose the one with higher amount of protein and lower amount of fat. B group vitamins are definitely needed when it comes to fat loss. Can also suggest to use vitamin D3, which helps regulate the storage and release of fats. A, C and E vitamins will help to improve metabolism. But be aware of that vitamins D3, A and E are fat-soluble vitamins. This is why they need to be taken together with oil or dietary fat. At start, try not overthink and just try some vitamin complex. Various strains probiotics will help to improve gut health, which may help with weight regulation and reduce fat absorption. Suggestion here is to check how many strains and how many colony-forming units product has. Reason is that some of them are too overpriced. Apple cider vinegar is also a good supplement because it helps increase feelings of fullness, leading to reduced calorie intake. It can help reduce fat storage and enhance fat burning by influencing various metabolic processes, and it helps regulate blood sugar levels. It is recommended to take 1 or 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, diluted in a large glass of water. Next supplement that can recommend is synephrine. It is active ingredient that can be found in bitter orange and other citrus fruits. Taking from 10 to 20 milligrams per day can help to increase metabolic rate, stimulate the breakdown of fats, help reduce appetite, and can even improve physical performance. One of the most proven fat burners would be L-carnitine. Studies show that carnitine plays a role in transporting long-chain fatty acids into the mitochondria, where they can be burned to produce energy. So it both helps to burn fat and improve your physical performance, and even supports post-workout recovery. Only thing is that you need to know that you need to take it from 500 to 2000 milligrams per day to get an effect. So buy the capsules that contain pure carnitine without any other active ingredients. You can also try green tea extract that can boost metabolism and increase fat burning. It is also a natural source of caffeine, and caffeine can help to increase energy expenditure, fat oxidation, and to reduce appetite. Just drinking green tea or coffee without taking supplements can also help you. But remember that coffee is not so healthy, so it would not be good to make a habit to drink a coffee each day. Need to be mentioned that supplements will only work with combination of balanced diet and physical activity. Don't fall for empty promises that some supplement will make you slim on its own. Making healthy diet and physical exercises as a part of your daily routine is crucial point. And some people think about daily routine as something negative and boring. But in fact it is the main thing that leads you to success. And it does not need to be a boring or painful process. There is a lot of healthy food that is tasty and thousands of different healthy food recipes. Find physical activities you enjoy to easier make them a part of your life. Also, sleep plays a crucial role in supporting fat loss and overall health due to its role in hormonal regulation, metabolic function and energy balance. So make a habit to sleep from 7 to 9 hours a day. A lot of people start to feel hunger or even having a snack without feeling of hunger when they are simply not busy enough. Having activities that need your full attention and concentration will help you to get rid of this problem. Sustainable weight loss comes from consistent healthy habits, and after a while this routine will make you feel much happier and fulfilled, and you will not want to lose this feeling anymore. Mindset and emotional condition plays an important part in the fat loss journey. So you need to start with setting up achievable and specific goals. Track your daily, weekly, and monthly progress to stay motivated. You should convince yourself that, by taking small daily steps, you will eventually reach your goal. All you need is consistency and time. Avoid diets that promise results in the shortest period of time, because most of them do not work, but the ones that do work will cause you more health problems than you had before. Also, think about limiting yourself in food choice as your conscious decision, not like a restriction. Because you most likely will sometimes break your diet, and when it happens, you need to consider it as something normal. And after that, you just need to get back to your diet and daily activities. If you will think that breaking your diet as something bad, your brain will try to get you back in a good mood in the simplest way possible. Which is, again, eating sweets and junk food, because it provides temporary pleasure and comfort by releasing neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine. Also, a sense of failure can lead to quitting your exercises and resetting to zero everything you have achieved. Do not look at others, because somebody may have faster progress, just because he has better metabolism or higher body strength. You need to play with the cards you have, and find your own way to combine all the elements you heard about in this video. You also need to learn how to manage stress. Because stress is one of the most common factors in weight gain, due to it releases hormone, cortisol. A high cortisol level can stimulate appetite, increase cravings for high-calorie and sugary food, and also promote the storage of fat, particularly in the abdominal area, that makes your belly fat. So if you feel stressed, try different stress-reducing techniques like deep breathing exercises, meditation, and physical activities. Stress can also cause eating, driven by emotions, rather than true hunger. Always focus on your daily achievements, not your failures. Stay positive, and don't let anything or anyone distract you from achieving your goal. Because it is not only about losing weight, but also maintaining a healthy lifestyle and becoming the best version of yourself. Thank you for watching this video, and in case you are already on a healthy lifestyle journey, please support others in the comments. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to get more helpful videos.